Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to restrict user access to one website in Windows 10. I want to block access internet to user Michelle. Right-click Start button, click Computer Management. Click Local Users and Groups. Open Users folder. Right-click Username, click Properties. Click Member of tab. Click Add. Type Administrator. Click Check Names. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Login with Michelle user. Click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Proxy. Turn off Automatically Detect Settings. Turn on, Use a proxy server. 127.0.0.1. Port number 80. Type any one website. If you want to add more than one website, use semicolons to separate entries. Click Save. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates under user configuration. Click Control Panel. Select and open Prohibit access to Control Panel and PC settings. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close Group Policy Editor. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type gp update /force. Type exit from command prompt. Now proxy settings disabled successfully. Login with admin user account. Right-click Start button, click Computer Management. Click Local Users and Groups. Open Users folder. Right-click Username, click Properties. Click Member of tab. Remove Administrator User. Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.